Fact number 1. Stripped screws are frustrating and won't move at all. Grind a straight slot on the screw head using a sanding disc. Insert a flathead screwdriver and turn gently. The stuck screw comes out easily. Fact number 2. Pouring oil often makes a mess in the kitchen. Heat the bottle cap slightly, poke a small hole and trim it. Now you get clean, controlled oil pouring every time. Fact number 3. If a key breaks inside a lock, stay calm. Heat an old toothbrush handle and push it into the lock. The plastic grips the key and pulls it out. Fact number 4. Installing a rubber ring can be tricky. Use a thin rope instead of tools. Pull firmly and the ring slides in perfectly. Fact number 5. Stop putting your phone on the floor while charging. Make a simple holder using a plastic bottle and tape. Your phone stays safe near the socket. Fact number 6. Outdoor sockets can be damaged by rain. Cover them using a plastic container with drainage holes. This keeps water out and protects the socket. Fact number 7. Tired of dipping your brush again and again? Attach a paint bottle to an old brush. Paint smoothly with less mess. Fact number 8. Need a waterproof outdoor light? Use a glass jar to cover the bulb. It protects against rain and moisture. Fact number 9. An old door lock and a wrench can secure an electric scooter. Simple tools, smart idea. Fact number 10. These smart glasses help visually impaired users. An ultrasonic sensor detects nearby objects. At 30 centimeters, it gives a warning sound.